Welcome to a gentle, sensory-rich adventure designed for our littlest explorers. This special journey invites babies and their caregivers to step into a wondrous world where the soft, familiar creatures of the farm meet the colorful, fascinating animals of the rainforest. In a safe and engaging environment, tiny hands can gently pat fluffy sheep wool, marvel at the vibrant feathers of a parrot. Platypuses are found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, living in freshwater rivers and streams. The platypus is one of only 5 species of monotremes, egg-laying mammals. The others are echidnas. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful sting to predators or rivals. Female platypuses don't have nipples. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication, especially over long distances. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Bulls are important in livestock breeding for meat or dairy production. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years, used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads. Camel's gestation period is about 13 to 14 months, usually giving birth to 1 calf. Their mouths can handle prickly plants that would hurt most animals. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150-250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller, around 100 to 180 kilograms, 220 to 400 pounds. Lions are apex predators, but will scavenge if the opportunity arises. Cows have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, 1 calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Cows can find their way home over long distances using the Earth's magnetic field. Cows use different moos to communicate with their calves or other herd members. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments, a behavior known as zoopharmacognosy. Studies show sheep experience a range of emotions, including fear, anger, rage, despair, boredom, disgust, and happiness. They can even recognize human facial expressions. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Farmers often use goats to clear land of unwanted vegetation. Goats are raised around the world for milk, meat, fiber, and companionship. And texture is carefully chosen to stimulate curiosity and wonder, creating the very first foundation for a lifelong love of the animal kingdom. Our activities are crafted for developing senses, focusing on gentle interactions, high-contrast visuals,